Hey guys, what's up? In this video we are going to unbox two products from Anker which I've ordered. One is sort of an adapter which is used to fast charge your devices, and the other is a car charger. Now this is just going to be an unboxing, it's not a test because testing it just takes too much time, and I'm really not a tester. So I'll just do the unboxing and show you guys how it looks, how it comes, and rest assured I know that Anker products are pretty good. I purchased a few Anker products and they've been brilliant. So let's go ahead and unbox the big box first. Right, so first of all, this is the PowerPort Atom 3, and it's got 4 ports, it's slim, and the main functionality of this is that you can connect it to different devices via your USB, and that's it. So Anker products packaging is quite simple. It's got some embossed picture over here. Front is plain, some embossed, rear is again plain. On the back it gives you a little bit of information. It says fast charging via leading technology. We don't know what that means, but this product is called the Anker PowerPort Atom 3. Right, so let's go ahead and open the box. So this is the sort of hub, you can say, and as you can see it says IQ and IQ3. So you have 45 watts of power through USB-C, and then you have 3 USB ports, the normal USB ports where you can connect all 3 devices. But this device basically connects to the mains. As you can see that it's got this 2-pin cable which is in the box, and you can connect it to your power socket. So this has to be powered through a normal conventional electricity outlet, and then basically you can stick it anywhere under your desk or something like that, because I'm actually going to use this under my desk, and so that's the idea, because I needed to charge my wireless charger and my other stuff. So I just thought that this would be a great option. The product itself, it's very plasticky, but the build quality looks quite good. On the rear it's got some information written. Sides are a bit bezeled, and front you can see that it's blue in color, and the top is slightly patterned. It's written Anker on the top, right? And then inside the box, so I believe that the box is pretty well packaged, and it comes with this UK plug, because we're in the UK, so I needed the UK plug. I'm just going to take that off, and then it comes with this Velcro to actually tighten the cable, and that's it. And in the box you get this little bit of leaflet, which is a user manual. Not really sure if that's very helpful, but what it says on the user manual is USB-A, and then USB-C, so you can connect a number of devices to it. And apart from that, it does come with this charger installation adhesive strip, so if you want to stick it under your desk or somewhere, so you can use this strip. Apart from that, it says it comes with this sort of leaflet which says happy or not happy, and then you can get in touch with customer services, and that is it. So that is the Anker Atom 3 which we've just unboxed. Now let's head to our other product. So guys, our other product is the Anker USB charger, so for the car, and what it's called is the Anker 24 watt 2-port lightning car charger. I needed a charger for my iPhone because my phone was not really charging in the car, so I did my research and I found that this would be a good choice. And here we have the product. Pretty much nothing in the packaging. Again, happy, not happy, one little leaflet inside, and that is the box all done. Yeah, it's really nice. I mean, first look of the product is it's shiny from here, the plastic from the top. It gives some information over here. So this metal prong is chromed, and sides are again, they're chromed, because that side is going to go into the to the socket of your car. Anker branding on the top, and then some carbon fiber sort of plastic look on the top. And then the thing why I ordered this charger was that, of course, it's got IQ charging, which is fast charging, and it has this lightning cable connected to it, so you can't take it out. But if you need to connect a second cable, like if you have a Android phone or a USB-C connecting phone, where you need another cable to be attached, so you can just simply plug it over here. And this does give you 24 watts of charging, which is why I've purchased this product, just for the sake that if there are two products being charged at the moment, then you won't be having any problems in the charging time. So in terms of the wire, I feel that the wire is not the best looking wire, but I feel that it's not very bad. It does come with this Velcro with this ANKER branding on it, so you can tie it, not to just leave it loose. So overall, I would rate this product by the looks of it. I would give it a 10 out of 10. In fact, I'll give both products 10 out of 10 because their build quality looks very good. I'm not sure about their performance, but I've heard that ANKER products are very, very good. Their performance is pretty cool, and they're patented products. So hopefully, I'm guessing that this product will be, it'll be worthwhile, as I've spent that extra amount on buying these items. And that is it. So guys, this was my quick unboxing for these two products, the ANKER Atom and the ANKER Fast Charger for the car. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.